Tunde, you come here too.
Looks like we have the same favorite spots.
Or maybe you are following me again.
If I was, would it be working?
I should get going before it gets late.
Yeah, same here. So, will I see you again by coincidence?
Maybe. You again?
Maybe the universe likes me.
Or maybe you're following me.
I promise I'm innocent.
So what do you actually do?
I repair phones and laptops at my uncle's shop.
That's impressive.
What about you?
I'm studying accounting.
Smart lady.
You like giving compliments.
Only when they're true.
You know, life has been stressful lately. My mom has been sick and school fees haven't been easy.
I'm sorry.
But we're managing.
You're strong. People say that a lot because it's true.